In this video, we will correct a common error when using the Vlookup function. Here we have two datasets. The first dataset contains Lego collection information, including ID, name, year, and theme. We are missing the number of pieces for each collection, so column B. And then we have a second sheet that contains the number of pieces, but it only has the ID number along with it. So we'll use the Vlookup function to put the number of pieces on the first sheet. So we'll go to cell B3, we'll type our Vlookup formula, equals Vlookup, open parentheses, A3, and then we'll select our sheet that we're looking for the data in the second sheet. So we select our data, and then comma 2, comma false, close parentheses, hit enter on the keyboard, and that will populate your formula, and then pull your formula down to all the rows. And we'll see right away in one of the first few rows, there's an error. So let's use the filter function to see if there's any additional errors. And as we're going through this, we see that there's several errors. And this is very common when using Vlookup, that when you're extracting data from a second sheet, based on the way you type your formula, you will have errors. So we see there's several rows with errors. And now we're going to fix this. So we look at our formula, and we can see that our formula is changing on each row. So that's the issue here, is that our selection of data is moving even though we want it to remain on the selection. So a simple correction here is to place a $ before the column and row, so before the A and before the number, before the B and before the number. And now we'll drag that new formula down and give it a second here to update all the rows. And once it updates, we'll see that all the errors have gone away. And we can double check our work by using the filter function again. So we'll filter on column B again. And when we filter on column B, we can see that now there are no errors.